properties of a parallelogram, all properties of parallelogram, and also of all sides equal, and diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees or right angle. Please use this in your next exercise. So a rhombus is a parallelogram. If you look at your book, a rhombus is a parallelogram with adjacent sides equal and its diagonals bisect each other. Moving on to exercise 16.3. Question 3. Question 3. It says the diagonals of a rhombus PQRS intersect at O. The question is asking, is triangle POS congruent to triangle ROS? State the rule used. It's a simple question. You just have to say yes or no and why. Where is POS? Where is ROS? So, are these two triangles congruent? We know adjacent sides are equal, diagonals bisect each other at 90 degrees. What else? So, we have two sides equal, and it can follow that these two angles are also equal because diagonals will bisect the angle at the vertex. So, yes, they are equal. Why? By AAS, as I have shown you. That's all. The question is not asking you to prove it. Just make that statement and the reason. Next we have questions 4 and 5. To draw a rhombus. I won't be doing that now. I'll be doing that when I do chapter 17. After this, whenever I have a session with you, I hope to do that. Now, whenever I meet you next, I would like you to keep your geometrical instruments ready for construction. Question 6, state true and false. Let me discuss this with you. State whether the following statements are true or false. Number 1, a rhombus has only one pair of parallel sides. This is question 6, part 1. A rhombus has two pairs of parallel sides. So this is false. Because it has both pairs of parallel sides. Both pairs are parallel. Part 2. A rhombus has equal sides. That is true. All the sides of a rhombus are equal. Number 3, a rhombus has its diagonals equal. Now this is false. Reason, it is not always true. There is a special case. The special case is when it is a square. So a square is a rhombus which has its diagonals equal. I'll say that again. A square, the special case, the square is a rhombus with diagonals equal. Part 4. A rhombus has its diagonals perpendicular to each other. That is true. Now this statement I have written here is to explain here. Part 5. A rhombus has its angles equal. That's again false. Again, it is not always true, so we call it false. there is a special case where a square is also a rhombus. So in that case we can say all rhombuses are not having their angles equal. I will stop now. My time for this session is over. Thank you. We'll continue again.